species of pig parrots that were very happy and lucky to breed very well. You have the orange-breasted pig parrot, Cyclopsita wilmiteri. And the nest boxes, we do them in this shape. And we put a cork films, as you know, half an inch wide all the way. And through the hole, the pig parrot goes inside and makes a cave and it puts everything in. And you can see how it is here. And you can see feathers are coming in. To nest.
Jaco, is there anything else what you would recommend the breeders, what the pig parrots really need to breed?
I can show you the diet. We use fruits, rice, figs, some pears, some papaya, and we use a small seed mix that has a powder that we use for them, especially for pig parrots, that I can give you the recipe. And we add mealworms to their diet every day.
Okay. Do they have something special in the water?
Some coconut juice sometimes, but a part of that, vitamins once in a while and different probiotics. Yeah.
So they have good humidity here and warm weather, so actually the climate here is perfect.
Yeah, the climate helps a lot for sure.
Yeah.